Hey friends, it is that time of the month again. It didn't sound very good. Hey friends, it is once again time for the MyChow surprise box. Just came in the mail and we are super excited to open it. The kids will be on here with me, but I thought I would just go ahead and give you the rundown about Keto Chow before they get on. Although I know a lot of people enjoy watching Levi make faces and mouth all of my words and, pretty much just sit there and mock me the whole time. So if you do not know what Keto Chow is, I mean, where have you been? Seriously. But it is a complete meal shake. Each shake comes packed with a third of the vitamins and minerals you need for the day, also a hefty amount of protein, and then you get to add your fat source. And Keto Chow offers the MyChow subscription box, and they have a couple of different options. You can either choose the box where you get to pick your own flavors, and if you do that, you get a 15% discount on the price of the Keto Chow. But if you want the absolute best deal possible, you can do the surprise box. And obviously with a surprise box, you don't get to pick the flavors in there. You get to have just whatever Keto Chow puts together for you. It's always super fun to see what they picked out for us. But if you choose that option, you do get a 20% discount. So it's the one you want to pick if you know you like pretty much all Keto Chow flavors and you want to go for the deepest discount possible. All right, are you kids ready?
Yeah.
And Levi has an update from last month that he needs to share with you. Go ahead.
My tooth came out.
It's very exciting.
And I have another loose tooth.
And he has another loose tooth. Will it ever end? Okay, are you guys ready to get this open and see what goodies Keto Chow packed for us this month and what recipes? Because the MyChow surprise box, not the regular MyChow box, but the surprise box comes with recipe cards. And it's always fun to see all the recipes that they give to us.
Mom, let's put back and
Okay.
that one.
Okay, sounds good. Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
I'm going to take the letter off the top. Okay. All right. Levi's picking the first.
We have this one.
This one is the spicy taco soup base.
We haven't had it.
Last month we got, was it the beef soup base?
I think.
And you tried that one.
It's Renee's turn.
Yeah, they need to be doctored up. They're like to add to soup, or like you add meat and veggies and stuff. And so this one is the taco soup base, and it does have beef protein powder. All right, Renee, you ready?
That's really down.
Secret, big secret.
I love that one.
I love that one too. Raspberry cheesecake. Renee doesn't like raspberries, so she doesn't like it. But Renee, Levi and I will have some, right?
Yeah. But if there's more, we can each have one pack.
That sounds good. Or we could share one.
Yeah.
All right, my turn.
I saw it.
You're going to be excited about this one.
Yeah.
Pecan sticky bun
We haven't done
of
that in so
ultimate
long.
awesomeness. Yeah, I used my last one up a few weeks ago as
that's
ice cream.
coffee.
So I think this is a seasonal flavor, and I forgot to mention earlier that the seasonal flavors have been released. Maybe I'll put a list up on the screen here of the different flavors. I know pumpkin spice caramel is a seasonal flavor.
Okay.
It's Leah's turn. Go ahead.
Oh,
Oh, yes. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with chocolate.
I love it.
I love chocolate. All right, go
I
ahead.
haven't had it before, so I want to have it.
Ooh.
I want to have that one.
We love cookies and cream. Last month we tried this one, remember? And we found it was a little better with the dark cocoa added. Made it a little more cookie-like instead of just cream-like. Okay. My turn? Look at the new packaging. Pumpkin spice caramel. Doesn't that look amazing?
Is that new?
So yes, this is one of the new seasonal flavors. Pumpkin spice caramel. We are very excited for that one. Is it Levi's turn?
Yeah.
I could tell this one was a new one because the feel of the packaging has
Okay,
changed.
guys.
It's not glossy, it's more matte. And I could just tell by feeling it. Isn't that nice?
This is the guy.
And it looks, oh, wait. We gotta get all the little ones first to get this one right here.
Is that new flavor?
No, but it's a good flavor. Peanut butter. We love peanut butter.
I don't want it.
Oh, you don't want peanut butter?
Yes, I don't
well,
like
then I'll
it.
have it. And Renee will have it because I know she likes it. All right, what's that one?
Ooh!
Oh, another favorite. Oh, these are all the great fall flavors.
Yes.
Chai latte. And then are we just at the big one?
No, there's one more little one I found.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, we have that.
Vanilla. Original vanilla. And it's Levi's turn, isn't it? All right, I think we're on the big box, Levi. Or the big bag, I mean. What is it? What is... Big bag for me.
No.
Caramel macchiato. I mean, this is perfect for fall.
We need to get a big bag of pecan sticky bun or chai latte.
Yeah, or the pumpkin spice caramel.
Well, we haven't tried that yet.
Mom.
We should try that
I
one
tried
today.
it. I tried it last time.
We should try that one today.
Yeah, we could.
Mom,
With this one.
You tried
This
it.
makes me so happy.
Can I look at
Ooh,
these
what
ones?
is that?
Can I look at these?
All right, you ready to look at them?
Yeah.
Recipe cards, here we come. You got it, girl. You did get everything, right? Yep.
All right.
What is that?
So, something milkshake. Unicorn milkshake.
Unicorn milkshake. Yum. This one has strawberries, blueberries, and what flavor? Oh, strawberry keto chow and blueberry pie keto chow. Oh, they didn't put those in this box,
Mom,
but thankfully we have both of those.
I'm taking
Something's pumpkin spice.
It says glazed double pumpkin scones.
Mom,
This one has the pumpkin spice caramel. Yum. Yes, Levi?
Blueberry
I was gonna pick these. I was taking the ones that I might have.
Okay.
So can we make ice
Double
cream?
chocolate truffles.
Mom, can we make this as ice cream?
Double chocolate.
Maybe.
I want to.
Double chocolate truffles, cream cheese, egg,
Ice cream.
chocolate keto chow, almond flour, cocoa, white chocolate chips, and
this
mint
one.
chocolate chips. That looks
I'm
good.
having this one.
Cookies and cream. That's the one we had last time.
Wait.
I
What?
want to try it as
I
ice
thought you were talking
cream.
to me.
Oh, it's ice cream, yeah.
Can
Okay, this one is caramel macchiato mini cheesecakes. Those look good.
I see them, Mom?
Those look delicious.
Spicy taco blue cheese dip.
Good job. So, what do you think this one uses?
Wait.
The spicy taco
Oh.
soup base. That looks really good. I'm gonna have to make that. That looks really good. So,
And
do we
carrots.
want to try this
Yeah.
one as our shake today?
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Yes. But this one's for ice cream.
And that one we can do for ice cream.
But can we do ice cream first?
No, we can't because it takes a whole day to freeze.
Try that.
Did you throw all the confetti on the floor?
I put it back.
Like a party? Okay, here is our pumpkin spice caramel shake. I made it our favorite way to make shakes. This is the way my husband likes it. It's the way I like it. I think Renee likes it this way the best as
I
well.
do too.
And you do too. It's 2 ounces of butter. I start with 2 ounces of butter in the blender. Put in 4 to 5 ounces of hot water to melt the butter. Then I dump in the keto chow and I blend that, and it makes almost like a pudding consistency. Then I dump in about 10 ounces of ice cubes, blend that on high, and I am using a Vitamix. You do need a Vitamix, I think, to make this kind of milkshake work, or like a high-powered blender like that. Blend that up on high until it makes the most delicious, creamy, icy milkshake ever. So good. Best way to drink keto chow. In my opinion, second best is as a creamy ice cream. Okay, Levi, you ready to taste it first? All right, pumpkin spice caramel. Taste the taste of fall. What do you think?
Tastes really good.
Tastes very good. Let's move this out of your face.
I like it.
Yeah?
Not the best.
It's not your favorite, but it's
Yeah.
good. What is your favorite these days?
My favorite, I usually just like to do chocolate peanut butter. Well, we don't usually do these because we don't really have these. Chai
I
latte.
only had a few of those, and we drank them up fast.
Yeah, chai latte.
Those are your favorite?
Sticky bun.
So you got your 2 favorite in our box today.
Yep.
And what's your favorite, Levi?
This one and this one.
Just plain chocolate and cookies and cream?
And
Usually you like all the fruity flavors. Raspberry cheesecake?
yeah.
Oh, this is so good. It tastes so caramely and so pumpkin-y. It's like a pumpkin pie with caramel drizzle on it and whipped cream because it's so creamy, or ice cream. It's so good.
Mom, do
We're
we
gonna
have?
have to get a big bag of this.
Mom,
Yeah.
Mom, do
I think so.
do we have-
Before the fall is over, we're gonna have to get a big bag.
Mom, do we have more of these?
We do have more of those, yeah.
So can I have this one?
Yeah, you want to try to make that into ice cream?
No, I'm gonna try to make it into my shake.
Oh, you want a whole shake for yourself? Do you want some more of the pumpkin? You just want cookies and cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Charity decided she just had to try it. Go ahead. Because you like the salted caramel a lot. What do you think?
Okay.
Oh, it's okay, huh?
good, though.
It's pretty good, though. So, do you like it better than salted caramel? Or you still like salted caramel best?
What stuff can taste like I haven't had in a while.
Oh, you haven't. Are you doing Zerberts?
This.